Your Excellency, President Enrique Peña Nieto, dear friends, muchas gracias, Señor Presidente. Thank you, Mr. President, for your generous welcome. I'm particularly touched by your warmth and hospitality. Although this is my first visit to your great country as the Prime Minister, had experienced the richness of your culture during my travel in the early 90s as a common Indian tourist. We are meeting for the third time in last 2 years. I have always found my conversations with you deeply stimulating. I truly value your friendship, Mr. President. Friends, Mexico was the first Latin American country to recognize India. Since then, the trajectory of our all-round bilateral ties has shown growing intensity. In 2007, we established a privileged partnership. Today, during our conversations, President and I held productive discussions on the entire range of bilateral relations and on global issues of mutual interest. We have agreed to develop and upgrade our ties to a strategic partnership. Friends, ties of business and investment are an important driver of our relationship. Mexico is an important partner for India's energy security. We are now looking to move beyond a buyer-seller relationship and into a long-term partnership. Information technology, energy, pharmaceuticals, and automotive industries are among key growth areas as of our commercial linkages. But there is a potential to expand our commercial and investment in science and technology partnership in new areas. In this regard, President and I agreed to find ways to deepen our cooperation in space and science and technology. We will also prioritize concrete projects in areas of agriculture research, biotechnology, waste management, disaster warning and management, and solar energy. I would like to particularly thank President Peña Nieto for his support to the International Solar Alliance. I will transform the global canvas for solar technology, especially for developing and small island developing countries. Friends, President and I recognize the opportunities and challenges of this century. We both feel that our growing convergence on international issues allows us to join our capacities to strengthen international regimes of strategic importance. In this regard, I thank President Peña Nieto for his positive and constructive support for India's membership of the Nuclear Suppliers Group. Excellency, I see in you a reformer and believer in the destiny of this great country. I too am focused on reforming India's economic and governance structures. This is one area where our sharing of best practices can benefit both our societies. Friends, in his book, In Light of India, the great author Octavio Paz wrote, I can understand what it means to be Indian because I am Mexican. Of course, it is true the other way too. I believe we have succeeded today in strengthening this mutual understanding further. It has been a wonderful visit. Excellency, I once again thank you for your welcome, your friendship, and belief in India-Mexico friendship. And I look forward to welcoming you, Senor Presidente, in India at the earliest opportunity. Thank you very much.